This AI tool can do professional architectural visualizations in just a few seconds. Before we get started, if you haven't signed for Twinmotion yet, then make sure to use the link which is given down below in the video description. When you look at the landscape of modern 3D rendering, the debate between using Unreal Engine 5 or Twinmotion is one of the most common topics for creators today. While both are built on the same powerful foundations by Epic Games, they serve very different purposes depending on your specific project needs. Twinmotion is designed for speed and ease of use, making it the perfect choice for architects who need to produce high-quality renders without spending weeks learning complex software. It features a drag-and-drop interface that allows you to add weather effects, realistic vegetation, and animated characters instantly. On the other hand, Unreal Engine 5 is a powerhouse of total creative control. It offers features like Lumen for real-time global illumination and Nanite for massive geometric detail, but it requires a much steeper learning curve to master the nodes and blueprints. If you want a cinematic masterpiece with custom interactions, Unreal is your best bet, but if you have a deadline tomorrow and need a beautiful walkthrough, Twinmotion is the clear winner. The best part is that you can actually start a project in Twinmotion and then export it directly into Unreal Engine for final polishing. This workflow gives you the best of both worlds.